You're a fucking failure because you're a fucking failure. When I failed, it was my fault. When that I'm expected to see pan out, then I can't do any more pyramid entries. But I'm literally trading every fucking PD array just to prove it and stick it in the asses of everybody there that doubts this stuff ain't really there. I do that, and any one of those pyramid entries could be because that's where the market's going to gravitate to.
You have to submit to your own development. If it takes you 6 years, so what? Where else are you going to be in 6 years? At least you know where you're going. At least you're moving towards that goal. I'm a break-even trader, Michael. I can't make any money. It's pissing me off. You know what I see? That's opportunity. Because if you're not losing money, you're consistently staying around the unchanged mark, you got what it takes. You have what it takes.
Adversities are always going to be there in anything you do. How you deal with them, how you think about them, how you give them power and authority over you, that's the deciding factor, whether you succeed or fail in overcoming them. But you can't hide from them. You can't pretend they don't exist. You fucking identify them, point them out, and say, your ass is out of here, motherfucker. You don't get to stay here no more. You attack it.
Top of the morning, lad. How are we doing, chat? Good morning, boys and girls. Oh, 1 second here. All right, we should be good. Good morning, guys. Good morning. How's everybody doing? Happy Thursday, everyone. Good morning. Welcome in, guys. Hit the like button on your way in before we get started. Elias, good morning. AJ Trades, Trader 007, good morning. JP Trades, Sempi, Newton, KVN, Hindsight King, Hassan, Oro, Kuki, Elias, Great Company, House of Bezos, Eric, Arvin. Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. Come on in. The water's fine. We got 2 minutes here until market open, so we'll jump over to the charts. Economic calendar-wise today, we only had unemployment claims in pre-market. We do not have anything else on the calendar for today, so no 10 a.m. news to worry about. Day after CPI shenanigans, we are finally selling off in the overall range that we were stuck in the last couple of days. And you guys kind of already know, if you've been on stream at all this week, what I'm waiting for, what I've been looking for, which was this bearish move back down towards 50% of this range and a retest of the new week opening gap. It's a little bit interesting, the structure, because we already see ES in that new week opening gap again, and then we see Dow Jones has actually already traded back below that new week opening gap on the 4-hour chart. So leading the way in terms of weakness is Dow Jones, followed by ES, and then NQ the strongest as of right now, just based on the structure. So this is what I want to see. I want to see a continuation down here. And we'll see if that happens right at the open, or if we do manipulate higher first. If we manipulate higher first, I think we could have some opportunity to play that. If not, we might see a sweep down and then look for that potential retracement back up later in the morning here, is kind of what I'm thinking here before the open. We got market open here in 20 seconds, chat. So let's scale down and see what we're up against, boys and girls. Let's see what we got cooking here. Let's go to the 15, if it'll let me. There we go. Oh, we don't want to miss our opening bell, boys. Hurry. There we go. Good morning, guys. What's up, Felix? Good morning. Good morning, Soné. How we doing? Good morning, Jamie. Golden Boy. Good morning, guys. Good morning, chat. Guys, you want to know something crazy? You guys want to know something absolutely crazy? We picked 5 giveaway winners yesterday. You want to guess how many? Codes were claimed? Anyone want to guess how many codes were claimed? They weren't here. Remember we drew them all. Nobody said anything in the chat. That's right. A big old nothing burger, chat. A goose egg. So guess what, boys? We got more codes to give away, chat. Run it back. Run it back. Kookie, I've been trying to rig it for you to win, but I don't know. I guess I'm not doing it right. I guess I'm not rigging it right. I'm trying, dude. I'm trying my darndest. All right, guys. We're at open, and we are seeing price, for the moment, start to push down here. Anybody? Is anybody in shorts prior to the open? I was eyeballing this before starting up the stream, and I'm just like, man, maybe today's gonna be one of those days. Is just get in position at open for lower and just see if we get a run. It just kind of goes against my religion, though, you know. It goes against my religion. Asia low here at 695. Mark it over here as well. No, I guess we're not in too big of a hurry after all. Let's see. I mean, this is nice. This is a pretty nice 5-minute structure. I'm not gonna lie. Traded up, took out this high 5-minute gap tag here, and now we see price respecting the structure. See if we get this push to Asia. 696 on micros. I feel like it should go. We got Dow Jones already at that level. Feel like we should go tag it here on NQ as well, and ES. What's up, Oscar? Oh, what's up, Syntaxy? Syntaxy. Oh, boys. Boys. This is one of the giveaway winners yesterday. Ain't it? I believe so. Yeah, right here. Syntaxy, Syntaxy, Syntaxy. Oh, what are we gonna do with you? Syntaxy, I want to read this message. Submit a ticket with your top 2 prop firms of choice. Some codes are running low. First come, first serve. Winners have until next stream tomorrow to claim. I'm just fucking with you, Syntaxy. I'm a nice guy. I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you. I'll shoot it to you after stream though. But once we start the giveaways, everyone else, if they don't claim it like Syntaxy just did in the chat, they can all fly a kite. You know what I'm saying, chat? I got you, Syntaxy. You might just miss out on the. There's only like one lucid. I think there's only 1 or 2 lucid codes left. A couple TRADEIFY. So that might be the only bummer for you, but that's all right. That's all right. Syntaxy. What are we going to do with you, man? What are we going to do with you? Dang, is that going to be it? We did take out the Asia low on Dow Jones, guys. We did take out the Asia low on Dow. So, I mean, maybe that's going to be it. SMT the Asia low with Dow Jones, and then we rip. We'll see. I would like to see this hold, though. If we get above this structure here, I think we're gonna run it. But as long as this holds, I think Asia low still in play. I guess a lot of people in the market already pushing longs. Oh, what was the poll, by the way? 45. Pretty mixed. 45% bullish, 44% bearish. 10% says chop. Who freaking knows, dude? Come on, man. You're bearish, but you want to long this structure? Yeah, I understand that for sure. I'll just be patient on this. Like I said, I think if we trade above this, it's pretty hard to deny the likely bullishness, I think. But if this is going to hold and we see price displace down, we actually maybe should be interested in trying that short to Asia. You know what I mean? If we were to inverse here off this. Something like that. We'll see, though. Oh, we will see. We will see. Could go up, could go down, could go sideways. Amen. Well said, Kevin. Yeah, I know. These 1 hour candles is what we look like. Fair value gap here, fair value gap here. We're like in between both right now, right? So it's just on this 4 hour. You wonder if we, want to go and rebalance all three of these assets. We're already pretty much rebalanced on ES and Dow, I think, right? Yeah, so we don't really need to, but every once in a while you'll see like a inducement, and then you'll see all three assets rebalance, so we'll see. If this, then that. Good morning, Jesus is King. Good morning, good morning. I don't believe TRADEIFY is down. I'm logged in on TRADEIFY on TradingView right now. I don't think it's down. I haven't tried to put a trade on yet, so maybe if I try to put a trade on, it won't let me. I'll find out at that point, I guess. The way I see it, we have 2 4-hour arrays. The market can hold both, voting for buys. Also well said, Felix. You know what? I gotta give it to you. Some of you guys, listen, I know we have our back and forth, but some of you guys are smarter than you look. I'm not gonna lie. And the thing is you already look really, really smart. So a win-win. I think it is very probable that we see ES at 650. Yeah, it's possible. What is 650 here? Yeah, that's, I see sell side here at, what is this, an AM low for Monday, 642. Ping pong and back and forth right here. I'm gonna puke. Check the t-shirt you sent me. You sent me a t-shirt? Undiagnosed, but something ain't right. That's pretty good. Yeah, I'd wear that. We still waiting for the live to start? No. Good morning, Dion. Yeah, guys, I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. Really, it's if this then that, right? If this holds and we push below here, I like shorts. If we push above here, I am likely going to be looking for long opportunities. We did SMT here as well. With ES. I'm pausing. I'm waiting for the upper wick. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna try the short, guys. Got a terrible fill, by the way. God awful fill. 1.5 R still. Taking off this inversion. What an amazing fill. The best fill of the century. What is it, CPI day? All right, we'll see what we get here. New 15-minute candle is about to open. Risk to reward wise, I'm gonna hold the whole thing till Asia for NQ. I would like to go break even at a new low, and I mean, I guess you guys can manage however you want when ES takes it out. We'll go for this though. Okay. All right, let's go break even here. We'll see. I hope my fill isn't shitty enough and then we get like some stupid wick, but There's New York midnight. Flush. Flush. Baby, run, cut a path across the blue skies. Straight in a straight line, you can't get here fast enough. Find a truck and fire it up. Lean on the gas and off the clutch. Leave Dallas in the dust. Don't tease us, please. Don't tease us. Please don't tease us. Hey. That just doesn't ever get old, does it? Dude, they don't make them like SpongeBob anymore. You guys, listen, I feel bad for the kids that were born too late and you missed out on SpongeBob. Some of you guys missed out on SpongeBob. Some of you guys missed out on Drake and Josh. Son of a gun. All right, guys. Well, that's good. Good exit there. Asia low was my target, so I don't know. We could go lower. The 50% of the range is still like 600 basically, 600 level. We'll see how we close. I mean, I think we got macro, it hasn't even begun yet, so we could see this thing really pick up some momentum if you guys are holding runners. But this was kind of just low-hanging fruit, and it's giving a pretty decent reaction right now. So in case it does go lower, here, this is what I need to do before I do anything else. What I need to do is I need to take a screenshot, because if it does go lower, I want to make it look like I just sniped this shit. You know what I mean? Giveaway time, probably, huh? What are we supposed to do now? The big candle on the right. This is the higher time frame power of 3 indicator. This is the pro version. You guys, I get this question like every single day. This is the pro version, so this is the paid version. There is a free version which only shows you one candle at a time. There is another indicator called ICT higher time frame candles by Fadi. That is an option you can use if you want multiple candles. But this one that I'm using is the Pro Plus version. I use the big candle. I'm watching the hourly candles next to like whatever lower time frame chart I'm looking at. So I just don't got to bounce around as much. But I have the higher time frames as well on my other monitor. I'm always toggling between like the 15, the 1 hour, the 4 hour charts. All right, boys. Let's see. Maybe we're gonna get a V recovery, and this will be the end of the bearish move. But like I said, I think there's still a reason we could go lower on the higher time frames if we want to rebalance NQ as well. Right. So like this 4 hour candle closure in 9 minutes, I think will tell us a lot. You know, if we close below here, I still like shorts. Right. Like if this 4 hour candle closes below the previous 4 hour opening price, I still think shorts make sense. But we'll see. We'll see. If we close above it, maybe that won't be the case. But all right. Well, shit, boys. Hey, all right. If you guys want to be in the giveaway today and you're not already in it, go ahead and fill out the form in the description. I'll drop it one time in the chat here as well. Let's do a shit ton of giveaways today. Syntaxi is going to be the only one. Syntaxi is going to be the only one from yesterday that I'm going to let sneak through and get their giveaway because nobody else claimed their shit. Ain't that crazy? How you going to enter a giveaway and not claim it? Come on. All right. Can you check if your name is in the poll? Well, I'm grabbing the list fresh every single day because there's new people that join it. So as long as people have been joining, like they should be included. We're up to 850 now. Well, W day, boys, huh? Well, we like that. Nice and done nice and early, and maybe you guys are holding for lower prices. Is anybody in the chat holding for a bigger move? This ended up being just like a 1.5R technically, but we didn't really end up in any drawdown, so. Let's get the vibes up a little bit. Let's get the vibes up a little bit. Oh, I haven't checked the likes yet, but hit the like button, boys. Hit the like button. As long as we're at like 100 plus likes, we'll just rip a bunch of giveaways. We'll just rip a bunch of giveaways. Wheel. All right. Let me know if you see your name. Let me know if you see your name. Yeah, the giveaway bot. The form is in the description. The form is in the chat. If you do exclamation point giveaway like Santana just did, appreciate it, Santana. It'll repopulate it. I'm trying to decide though. I'm like, do we do just like another 4 or 5 today, or do we do like 10? If you guys are already in this giveaway, there's no need to fill out the form again. It should not let you. It should not let you. But if you've already done it, there's no need to do it again. 42. We'll do 69 of them. Yeah, look at this thing, dude. 600 incoming, I think, chat. Hey, no FOMO, though. No FOMO. This would have likely been a break even depending on your fill on this retracement. There you go. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low. All right, guys. Can I turn this thing down so you guys don't go deaf? I can turn the sound off completely, but I don't want to do that. All right, you guys just might go deaf when the winner gets picked. This thing is loud as you know what, so. All right, guys. Let's run it. Let's run a few giveaways here quick. It's like Wheel of Fortune. Ooh, Mr. Proxy. Mr. Proxy 10, are you in the chat, Mr. Proxy? I'm getting a little PTSD. If they're not in the chat, I'm starting to wonder. I'm like, maybe they won't claim. Mr. Proxy, are you there? Are you there? Are you with us, Mr. Proxy? Is your proximity close, Mr. Proxy? Nope, I guess not. Well, all right, Mr. Proxy 10, you've got, same rules apply. You got until tomorrow. You got till tomorrow when we start doing giveaways on the next stream to claim your prize. So congrats, Mr. Proxy 10. Let's run it again. Vinco? Vinco 0793, are you with us? Vinco, are you there? Oh, I feel like I should learn how to talk like an auctioneer. That'd be so fun. All right, we got Mr. Proxy 10. We got Vinco 0793. Let's keep it going, guys. Who wants one? Who wants one? Who wants one? Who wants one? Come on, come on, come on. Where is Etsy 15? Where is Etsy? Like, you know, now that I think about it, I'm like, where actually is Etsy 15? You know what I mean? I was actually just kind of wondering that. You know what I mean? Like, where even is Etsy 15, dude? Like, where? You know what I mean? Where the fuck are they? Where are they hiding them? Where him or her? I don't. You know, I don't want to assume their gender. I'd hate to, but you know, where are they? You know. Apparently they're not in the chat. Apparently they're not. We might have, dude. We might have to, if we have 2 days in a row of nobody claiming their giveaways, we might have to reformat this whole thing and just do straight up chat only giveaways. You know, how about this? How about this? All right, we've done 3 here. So we had Mr. Proxy, Vinco. Where is Etsy 15? That's like 8 selections in a row where they haven't been in the chat. Going back to yesterday. You know what I mean? That's like 8 selections in a row where they haven't been in the chat. Just to get this back. Just to get us back on track. Hopefully you guys are in the Discord. You should be in the Discord. That was like literally part of the... That was also part of the rules for the giveaway that we're currently in. So everybody should be in here. If you're not in here, get your ass in there. Go to the giveaways tab. Let's run a giveaway here. Yeah, let's do 2 minutes. 1 winner, prize, free prop account, playa, on God, for real, for real. All right, guys, if you want to be in the giveaway in the Discord, click the little icon here. You got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Oh, we'll get some participation. We'll get some live participation, boys. If I don't care if I gotta force it. I'll force it down your... No, hang on. Don't say that. I just feel alone, dude. You know, I feel lonely, dude. I want to be able to celebrate with you guys. You know what I mean? I want to be able to, like, Google, gobble, one of us. We accept him, one of us. Google, gobble, one of us. We expect him, one of us. You know what I mean? Like, this could be us. You know, mine... Well, I guess we are bearish today, but... Like, why can't this be us? You know? You know what sucks? All these little, like, video clips, some of them are, like, also copyright. Doesn't that suck? All right, guys, we got 18 seconds. Counting down, counting down. 15, 14, come on. Last chance, last chance. Yeah, let's get the emojis ripping here. Let's get the emojis ripping here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And your winner, by unanimous decision, Meth. You want a free prop account, playa? Meth, are you there? Hell yeah, Meth, dude. Let's go. Congrats, Meth. All right, man. Open up a ticket. Open up a ticket, Meth. And I will get you a code here after stream as well. All right, guys. So we've done 4. We got Mr. Proxy 10. We got Vinco. We got Where is Etsy 15. We got Meth in the Discord. We've done 4 so far, and we'll do like at least 4 more probably. So stick around. Don't you go anywhere. Don't touch that dial. Don't touch that dial. Don't do it. I know you're thinking about doing it. Don't do it. I know you're thinking about doing it, and I don't want you to do it. Okay? You boys stick around. You boys stick around for a little bit. Let's see what we want to do here. It's 10 o'clock. We've traded down to Asia low. Like I said, I think the 4-hour, to me, this was a bearish close. I'm viewing this right now, honestly, as a potential likelihood for a retracement to retest this. Open high on the 4-hour candle. Potential distribution lower, chat. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of that? Love it, hate it? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we just rip all the way back up. We'll see. Listen, if we get more 4-hour barcode price, kill me. You know what I mean? Did we hit the new week opening gap? We might have hit that, actually. We did. We did hit it. How about that? I guess we'll have to wait and see. And that pull. All right, let me know how you guys have done today. Yeah, I mean ES. We just did we SMT here? Not quite. Looks like we're kind of getting ready to maybe SMT this high. What's going on here? SMT with YM again. Yeah, we'll see what wants to do. It's kind of like this was clean. I felt like this was clean this morning, just with, you know, our if this then that scenario. Bullish above here, bearish below here. And it worked out good. Now it's, I mean, it kind of is a little bit of a toss up. Like I said, I still lean lower though on the 4-hour. But I could see how on the lower time frame structure, some of you guys are probably like really excited about potential longs, but I don't think that looks, I wouldn't be super confident. I'll put it that way. Ten trades. You changed your name? Why'd you change your name? 1010. What's going on, man? Are you going through a midlife identity crisis? What's the deal? What's the deal, chat? All right, guys, how about this? What are we at for likes here? We never even got to 100 likes. That's actually offensive. That's actually a little bit offensive. Oh, that actually kind of hurts my feelings a little bit. Oh, I got something? Oh yeah. This is how you guys make me feel. But all right, how about this? 150 likes. We'll just rip like 4 or 5 more giveaways. How about that? We'll just rip like 4 or 5 more giveaways. So it's up to you guys now for however quickly you want to get to the giveaways. 150 likes. We'll just rip a bunch. We'll just rip a bunch more. You guys want to do? Let's do this actually. The poll in the chat. What do we have? 60% green. Let's go. Let's go. Good shite. Let's do this. We'll do a poll in the chat for how you guys want to do this giveaway too. Giveaway options. All right, let me know your guys' options. We got duck race and spinning wheel with the original list. We can do a keyword in chat for one. We can do Discord as well again. You know, get a little mix up, boys. Get a little change of pace, something like that. It's really up to you, boys and girls. You know, it's your world. I'm just living in it. What's up, dude? You want to say hi or no? You want to say hi? Look, dude. You get treats today. Oh, he don't care. He don't care. He's like, I'm getting treats either way. Shut up. Yeah, we'll do a fresh list as well for anybody that just filled out the form today. I know we had some new people filling out the form earlier, so I do want to make sure that people that filled out the form, because I don't want to short anybody that did fill this out, but just for sake of like people not being here and not claiming because they weren't here, you know what I mean? We'll spread it out for the people that are still showing up live. Yesterday really did it. How do you have 5 giveaway winners? None of them claim it within 24 hours. That's pretty nuts. You know what I'm saying? Pranop, hello. Can you choose which prop firm? Yeah. Oh, 1 second here. Let me just double check so I don't leak no codes. So right now we've got 2 Lucid codes left. We've got 3 Apex codes left, or I'm sorry, 3 TRADEIFY codes left, and we've got 7 Apex codes left. The Apex promotion was extended till Friday, by the way, for 85% off. If I win, will it claim it right away? Africa, let's go. I don't know. Will you claim it right away? Still bearish? I think so. I mean, I'm not like opposed to the possibility of, you know, another 4-hour barcode action like we got up here. You know what I mean? But just reading structure here, just reading candle closures and order flow, like what makes the most sense to me after the previous 4-hour closure was confirmed lower prices. So I think that would make the most sense. The narrative that would be against that would be that like ES already rebalanced this 50% of the range, as did YM. But I still think lower makes sense. Even if you're just reading structure on like YM, right? Like we invalidate here and the new week opening gap. This 4-hour bearish gap holds perfect. we get a closure back below here. Like, to me, this should hold bearish. But, you know, it's just been, this daily range has been something crazy. So it's like, I mean, it's just, dude, look at YM. YM actually looks cleaner. Look, YM looks so much cleaner on this daily than NQ and ES. Look at NQ looks like actual dog shit. That is awful. That's actually awful. That is so bad. You know, so I try not to like say we must go low, we have to go lower, we're definitely going lower. I really like, obviously I don't know for sure, and this range has made it tougher to have like extreme confidence, but just based on what it looks like, that's to me how it should work. But nothing is going to surprise me anymore. Nothing surprises me, chat. It's all just a fugazi. You know what a fugazi is? It's a wazi, it's a woozy, it's a fucking fairy dust. All right, what was the poll in the chat? What was the poll in the chat? Did we get to 150 likes, by the way? 122 likes. Guys, we're not to 150 likes. 150 likes, we'll rip some giveaways. Do you guys want giveaways or no? Do you guys want them or no? Do you guys want the giveaways or not? Listen, if you don't want them, I'll keep them to myself. That's fine with me. I'll give them away to myself. I got plenty of fake Tyler Trades Discords. That's how you guys got all those friend requests. I was giving to one of those guys. You know what I'm saying, chat?
Stop it. Get some help.
But yeah, 5 big booms to everyone that's not Syntaxi from yesterday.
Boom! 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 Boom!
R.I.P., dude. R.I.P. R.I.P., dude. All right, what was the poll, though? 32%. You guys love the duck race. You guys love the duck race. You guys love that duck race, dude. That is going to be the original list. So how about this, then? We'll do... What's the second option? So the second option was keyword in chat. Second option was keyword in chat. Let's do one keyword in chat. Let's do another one in the Discord. And then let's do... I don't know, 2 or 3 duck races. How's that sound? How's that sound? I'll let you guys know the keyword. We haven't done it yet. As soon as I see 150 likes on this bish, it'll be game time, chat. It'll be game time. So you better do some stretches. Get limbered up, because listen, last thing I need is you guys pulling a hammy on stream, okay? So stretch, hydrate, caffeinate, master. No, I'm just kidding. You know what I mean? Like, get ready though. Get ready. Which firm in chat? It's literally, bro. It's literally first come, first serve. Like, as we pick winners, I'm asking them like what firm they want to go with. It's really up to them. But then obviously once we run out, like we're gonna run out of Lucid, we're gonna run out of TRADEIFY codes, probably before Apex. Apex we had the most codes to give away anyway. So once we're out of those codes, we're out of those codes for this specific giveaway. Tyler, how much do you risk per account? What's the margin on the account? Channeling the inner old man Jenkins. That's what I'm talking about, Sean. Listen, if you got old man Jenkins on your side. All right, listen, dude. Y'all got 5 here. How do I put a timer on here? How do I do that? You guys want to see someone add urgency? Check this shit out. Yeah, y'all got until this hits 0 to hit 150 likes, or I'm just closing the stream off and going on about my day. How about that? How about that? Oh, from the top ropes. Oh, he pulls it out of his eyes. That's right. You never pull a hypothetical gun on your therapist. I'll go ahead and holster this. Well, that's right. That's the thing, right? Sometimes you got to have conviction in the likes, just like you got to have conviction in your trade sometimes. I'm a crack addict. What's up, Bella? Bella? Bella's in the building. Oh, there we go. 155 likes. See, wow, that went awfully quick. That went awfully fast in the chat. Oh, that's so strange. Why did it go so fast all of a sudden? Crazy, dude. What is going on with you boys and girls? You guys are crazy. All right. So we'll do it this way. We'll do one Discord, one keyword in the chat, and then we'll do the rest. We'll do a few duck races chat with the original list. All right. You guys ready to have some fun or what? Are you guys ready? I can't hear you. Are you guys ready? How sick would that be if we were like in a live event right now? We're just like getting pumped up. Have the DJ probably turn up the tunes, right? Obviously. Obviously. I mean, that's first and foremost. That's really the key to like every good event is a great DJ, honestly. You got to have great audio if you're going to do it right. All right, so also, guys, before we run the giveaway with the keyword in the chat, no spamming. Spammers will be removed. Oh, keyword. What do we want to do for the keyword? What feels right? I guess we'll just go with something simple. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. All right, guys, if you want to be in the giveaway, keyword, type in the chat, bearish. Oh, JC. Dude, Jay, you almost had it. Deerish. Dude, you close. Close. I forgot about deerish. We're kind of deerish now, aren't we? No need to spam, boys and girls. No need to spam. One entry, one entry, one entry. Let's bring that timer back. Let's bring that timer back. Let's fast forward this a little bit. All right. 1 minute. 1 minute. We are selling off, by the way, again, chat. Well, this is good, dude. Are we finally going to get out of this range and get some nice clean move, dude? That'd be sweet. Absolutely sweet. All right, boys. Winner incoming. Winner incoming, chat. Oh, dude, base drop. Let's go. Let's go. Hell yeah. Yup. Yup. Oh, yeah. That's right. All right, boys. And your winner is... Daniel Toma. Congrats, Daniel. Daniel, where are you at, man? Daniel, come up to the front of the stage. Let's hear your victory speech. You got like 90 seconds. 90 seconds or we rerun it. Oh, there he is. All right, Daniel. Daniel, go on the Discord, open up a ticket. Go on the Discord, open up a ticket. You know what, boys? Let's rapid fire this a little bit. We'll do another one here. But in the meantime, go back to the giveaways. This is crazy. Go back to the giveaways channel. We're gonna rip another one here while we wait. Or not. There we go. 2 minutes on the clock. Number of winners, 1 prize. You guys know it. Nah, that works. All right, guys, submit. Wait. Oh, sorry. Submit. All right, guys, if you want to be in the Discord giveaway as well, pop it off. Also, you cannot win more than once. You cannot win more than once. I should have probably specified that. If you've already won, there's no if you've already won today, there's no need to replay it because we'll have to rerun it if you do. But go ahead and clap this button at least once. Go ahead and fill it up with emojis. We'll grab all of them. You guys know the drill. And then in the meantime, chat, while that is going, we got giveaways on giveaways going here. We got giveaways on giveaways going here. Let's roll another one here. What do you guys say? Why not? Congrats, Daniel, and congrats, Vishavan. Vishavan? Are you there, Vishavan? 90 seconds. 90 seconds. Dude, look, we're just rapid firing right now. $90 seconds or we rerun it. Meanwhile, the prop giveaway ends in 50 seconds. No, don't redeem it. Don't redeem it. All right, he's here. He's here. Same applies, guys. Ticket in the Discord. Ticket in the Discord. Congrats. 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 All right, we got this one coming in hot. 30 seconds, chat. 30 seconds. Got more entries on this one. How many giveaways are we at so far today? I should 1, 2, 3, 4. We just did, this will be the third one again, so this is 7. This is 7 for the day. I think. And your winner by unanimous decision is Jonesy. Jonesy. Hey, come on, Jonesy. All right, open up that ticket. You know the drill. You know the drill. I can't even click these. You guys are clicking them too fast. Congrats, Jonesy. Congrats, congrats, congrats. There we go. All right, so Daniel, Yavanash. Wait, Yashavin, Vinshavin. We got a bunch of giveaways to do. We got a bunch of giveaways today. All right, and now the moment I've all been waiting for. Let me grab the list, boys and girls. Let me grab the updated list. All right, we'll run some duck races, as promised. We'll run a couple duck races. How about that? We'll run a couple duck races. Congrats, boys and girls. Congrats. So this is what Santa Claus feels like. Where's my cookies? Me want milky. Sorry, too far. $9.09? Dang. Crazy. Crazy. Wow, dude, we actually barcoded the 15-minute. Look at that. Look at the previous two 15-minute candles. Lower we're going? Question mark? What do you mean, Nika? You don't see the form? You know what, Nika? Honestly, Nika, you're one of the OGs. Let's just put you right at the top. But I'm going to double check. If you're capping, Nika, are you already in this? This is the same form from earlier. So if you've already entered in this, then I won't add you, but I don't want to be adding you if you're already in it. Nika, Nika, I'll find out. But she's one of the OGs. Maybe an extra entry would be good for her. You're not? Wait, you are in the old form? Wait, thank you. I'm not. I'm in the old form. Yeah, no, this is the old form. So you're already in this? Let me double check quick. I got it right here. Oh yeah, she's already in it. Sorry, Nika. Oh no! We suck again! This is the form, by the way, chat. We can look up anyone. No running away. No running away. Alright, guys. Sorry. I gotta feel like a dick now, but... Oh, shit. 33 seconds on the clock. We are dumping, chat. Holy cow. We are dumping. I'm not sure what props I have left. I gotta... Sone, you gotta be on here. Let's find Sone. Sone, are you on here? Oh, there you are, Sone. Right there. Right there. Number 231. All right, guys. 33 seconds on the clock. Good luck, everybody. As far as codes I have left, I will have to see. We already got I got a bunch of open tickets, so it's really going to be whatever's left. All right, boys and girls. Good luck, good luck, good luck. May the fins be ever in your favor. And we're off. We're tanking in the market. Alo Vocum is about to tank this lead. So is Alex Castaneda. Not a chance. Not a chance. My money's on... who do I want? Give me to the last 10 seconds. Give me to the last 10 seconds. Revel 55. Revel 55? No, not a chance. I'm going to go Matthew 12:10. I don't know. I don't know why. Because I know it's going to be someone back here. I can't see their name. Don. It's Don Christian. It is Don Christian Babu. Don Christian Babu 5012. Don Christian Babu. Aloe, I thought you had a chance. I thought you had a chance, but I'm just kidding. Actually, when you jumped out of that lead, I knew you were not gonna win that. Unfortunately, these too predictable. These ducks are too predictable. Don, if you are in the chat, say what's up. Let's race again. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo! So this is your guys' favorite giveaway, huh? You guys love the duck races more than anything. The duck races is what gets your guys' flippers going. Fair enough. Fair enough. Oh, wow. Who is that? Jennifer. Wait. Oh, wow. What happened? She just went from 5th gear to 1st gear real quick. Atlas. No way. Not a chance, Atlas. Let's go this guy, the pirate hat. Pirate hat coming in hot. Pirate hat. Flip D. Oh my gosh. No way. Flip D. How do you lose to the clown? How did you do that? We just rebalanced to 50% on NQ, by the way. Hat P Music. Hat P Music, are you there? Hat P Music. Hat P Music. Congratulations. Let's run it one more time, boys and girls. Let's run it again. Last one. Last one. Oh, I'm nervous. Aloe, could this be the one? What's up with Alex Castaneda being like right here all the time? You know what I mean? What's up with that? Nobody talk. Nobody talk. TRP? Can he maintain? Can he maintain? Oh my god. Aziz. It's Aziz. It was always Aziz. Wow. It was always Aziz, bro. Aziz Muhammad. Congratulations. All right, for all the duck race winners, for all the spinning wheel name winners, for all the winners, I guess. Go in the Discord, chat. Go in the Discord. We just did 10 giveaways today. We'll see how many codes get claimed. We'll see how many codes get claimed. And I'll say this. If a lot of codes don't get claimed again today from the people that weren't like here live, we're going to run a bunch of giveaways with the rest of the codes that are left tomorrow with just all live, whether it's Discord or keywords or something else. We'll figure something out. But we're getting rid of these codes, boys. We're not going into the weekend with extra codes. They're all getting dished out. They're all getting dished out. Okay? I'm going to treat them like a toxic ex. Get them gone. Get them out of here. I don't want them. Get them away. You know? Here we go though, boys. Who ended up playing more shorts? I was a little distracted, but I mean this was pretty clean as well. 5-minute structure. Changing the state of delivery back down. Did we have a 15-minute? We did not even form a 15-minute gap. That's interesting. We just barcoded this. Honestly, clean as well though. Clean as well. Honestly, pretty good price. What time was this? 10:32. I don't know, boys. I got no complaints today. I think today's price action was Are we back? Wait. Are we back? Are we back? Is NQ back? Or what? It might be back. I don't know. Heck yeah, though. Oh my goodness. Well, congratulations, everybody. Congrats to the giveaway winners. Congrats. Sounded like most of the chat was green as well. Sorry, I've kind of been neglecting the chat here. I'm doing one last little scroll. Make sure I didn't miss nothing. Yeah, I'll do a quick little recap of the trade that we caught. Make history, give everyone here small account. This is oh my god. That actually would maybe be fitting now because we had half the chat leave. Salty. Still holding runners to 24,000. Shut. What? 24,000? Did I read that right? No, I read that right, yeah. So you're going for the entire range rotation. Well, I can tell you this. I don't know when it'll happen, but I do know that it will happen at some point. I will give you that. It will happen at some point. I just don't know if it'll be, you know, necessarily now or this week. Well, I guess we'll see. I guess we'll see, boys. All right, boys and girls, appreciate yous. Hit the like button before you go. I'm trying to remember if there's any housekeeping things I need to mention. Like I said earlier, the Apex sale was extended to Friday, tomorrow, for the 85% off. 30% off TRADEIFY right now, and then LUCID is 40 to 50% off if you have uses left of those codes. For the giveaway winners, hit the Discord chat. We'll be back live tomorrow with more giveaways. And looking at the economic calendar, tomorrow we have Jolt's job openings at 10 o'clock. And honestly, if we end up with like a bigger range today, there is a fair chance that we might just get on tomorrow and just run a bunch of giveaways. Especially if like price action early on looks like dog doo-doo, because lately when we have a big range day on Thursday going into a Friday has just been terrible the last few weeks. So we'll see. We'll play it by ear, but just a little forewarning on that, I guess. All right, guys. Appreciate you. Hit the like on the way out. Enjoy your guys' Thursday. I'll see you guys back here tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Peace and love, everybody. We'll talk to you later on.
Wake up early, coffee to my lips. Tyler trade streaming, giving us tips. The NASDAQ hustle riding up high. John's on my playground, never asking why. ICT moves, smart money flows. Precision like an arrow, yeah, that's how it goes. Stop loss is shaking, but I hold my ground. Payouts stacking while the beats pound. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Now time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trader age, every single day. Snap, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age.